Alright, so what we're going to do today is take a look at some advertising techniques and how a lot of those advertising techniques and media messages that we all receive on a daily basis are related to sexual messages, even though they have nothing to do with the product itself. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to go out and search the web for an example of a media message that uses sex, even though it has nothing to do with the product being sold. Alright, and then you are going to link that example, that ad right there. So just highlight the word here and then go up above to the little chain link icon. And then if you click on it, this will pop up and you can copy and paste the link there. Alright, and then in this area right here, go ahead and delete all of it, and then you can type a description of what's going on in your ad. If you would prefer to do a song, you can link the lyric video, alright, because there's obviously a lot of sexual messages sent through the media using music as well. Alright, if you want a couple examples, take a look at these two ads right here. You may be surprised at the sexual ads, even though they're selling chips and cat food. Then you're going to analyze your ad. Who's the target audience? Who do you think this ad is going to actually work for? And then what message is being sent about gender stereotypes and the product in general. So thinking back to yesterday when we talked about gender stereotypes, what messages is it sending about what it means to be a woman and what it means to be a man? And then what message is it sending about the product? Alright, and then the third one, how do you feel this message is accurate or inaccurate? And explain your answer. Then the next slide, what do you think the potential repercussions are of teens, especially young teens, seeing these messages over and over and over and over again? Do they start to buy into these gender stereotypes? Is that sort of their expectation of what a woman should be or what a man should be? Or the ideal, maybe not should even, but the ideal man or woman should be or could be. And then number 4, how does this message make you feel personally? Like, did you like the commercial? Did it make you want to buy it? Are you morally appalled by it? You know, or anywhere in between there. And just explain and support why you feel that, why you think you feel that way. And then on the last slide, how does this activity change how you view messages, how you view media messages? And I realize just one activity doing this, it might not change really anything. Maybe you have done these sorts of things in the past and you're already aware of it, but maybe it does get you to just think slightly different about gender stereotypes and how the media plays on those as well. And then the last question, you have a choice here. You don't have to do both, just do one of the two. Either find an ad where it only sells the product, it doesn't use humor, sex, bandwagon, all those types of marketing techniques. It just tells what the ad does. It just shows what it does. And link it, same deal. Highlight the word here, go up and link it, and then give a short description. Just 2 or 3 sentences is good enough of what's going on in the ad. Or you can choose to find an ad that actually challenges gender stereotype roles. Link it again, link it here, and then give a description of the ad. Alright, that's all you need to do. Back on the very first page, put your name or names. You can work with one partner, but only one partner. Obviously, you're hour 7, but even just looking at this ad right here, obviously there's a ton of sexual innuendos, and it's for a sandwich. And so that's just, one of many, many that exist out there. So do your best, and then turn that in on Google Classroom. Thanks, and have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow.